Good morning, everybody. It is currently 9:30. And I kind of regret waking up today, I'm not gonna lie. And we'll talk about why. Um starting off, let's go to the daily. Actually, we'll go to the weekly real quick. Is there anything? Not really. We do have this imbalance, but I'm expecting to disrespect it. Anyway, um we have this daily fair value gap. We have this daily low. NQ swept it. ES hasn't. So we have a relatively high time frame SMT on the daily. We are in a daily imbalance. Okay. Scaling a little bit more. Sunday opened up yesterday and we gapped down, but we filled in the gap completely, if I recall. Yeah. Like we filled it in completely, so whatever. Um 4 hour fair value gaps, and we're actually getting a pretty nice reaction out of this one. Or actually out of that one. Um We actually do have an hourly CISD, and this is a nice level of buy side. Let's put this on the hourly. It's that level, or actually, it's this level. We're pretty close on ES. We have that level of buy side. So we took out this liquidity. We have. I'm actually bullish right now. I am bullish, but maybe don't really know what until. We're starting to respect bullish structure now. So I think the main target is here. That's a nice level. There, we took out London already. Okay. What's the that's that daily high. On the 4 hour, I mean, we're also moving from an internal area. What does more trade say from internal to external and then external to internal? Meaning like my coffee went fucking cold. Like internal here, like a fair value gap even this low to an external high up here. And then from external to internal, we have, all right, we took out this external level. Let's go back internal. Well, actually, that's a bad example because we just went up. But like, you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, say we took out this high. External to internal. Bam. Internal to external. It just, takes a while. Whatever. So, I am bullish, but we have like no news this week. Monday we have nothing. Tuesday we really have nothing, and Wednesday we really have nothing. Just all yellow folder shit. So honestly, I could have woke up fucking now and went to the gym and just come back and train the afternoon session. I'm not gonna lie. 9:30 is right here. 9:30. So I do want a long. Okay, so if I'm looking for longs, what do I want to see? We already have that hourly CISD. We don't have it yet on the 15 minute. Actually, I think we do. Yeah, we do. Maybe we could get like a 5 minute fair value gap or something. We kind of just went straight up. So we'll see what happens. This daily low is here only to, like I'm charting out the SMT. but not actually doing it with the line. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. But I'm not gonna lie, tomorrow I might wake up. What was that? Oh. What are all these tabs? Click on wide. I don't want to click the dashboard. Let's set up my top step here. 30. We're going up. I wanna. Oh, we can actually keep it on this. What does this say? Link? What the fuck is that? I don't know. Refresh. All right. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we just took out that level of buy side. This little high. Not little high, but that high. We also have highs up here. And then we have that daily. Uh, Let me look at the daily chart. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't be surprised if we went lower though. I'm not gonna lie. Like if we wanted to come down here, I would not be surprised. What actually might happen, this is on the 15-minute. New week opening gap that's from like last week. But honestly, I think price honestly might come down here. Yeah. All right. Let me keep that there. So we'll see what happens. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Maybe we could get like a potential sell off. Like we swept this high. We have these highs up here. And then honestly, the next level is this level of buy side up there. So actually, I will mark out these as well. I'll mark out the tippity top right there, buy side. So we have that level and then this level. We took this out on both, so I could just delete this. Um, and then honestly, after that, we just have this level of buy side. Or after that one, we got these. But it's like I don't know if we're gonna do that today. We'll see. I'll come back whenever. Where did my drawing go? We'll come back whenever. We'll see what happens. I'll see you guys when I take a trade. But tomorrow's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Tomorrow I might miss the morning session. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people are putting fucking orders in. Jesus. Um, I'll probably come on video tomorrow. I feel like I'm rambling. I'm probably gonna come on video tomorrow around the afternoon session because I want to do that one of these days. Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. If I was gonna do it, I should have chose today because it's a no news Monday. But it's like we took out this other level of buy side. Guys, I made a gym TikTok gym Instagram. Start posting on that bitch. Anyway, so we're just going up, whatever. I'm gonna see you guys when I'm looking at a trade. All right, everybody. I'm looking for a trade, and I did not realize that it's 3 o'clock. I'm not really gonna trade past 3 o'clock. So no trades for me today. Uh, I saw this move up, and when we were moving sideways, this whole thing is like just sideways. So, and I was outside. I was outside. I got a little color. Ugh. I got a little fucking color, chat. Chat, I'm actually like fucking tan right now. The strategy to tanning is just falling asleep outside. Motherfucker gave me a 4 out of 6. He wrote me a fucking paragraph. Um. Anyway, chat. So we took out that weekly target as well. If you were in longs and you held, good fucking shit. You know, we hit this weekly high. No, this weekly high. We hit last week's weekly high. This daily candle for some reason looks kind of weird. Let's delete all my drawings. We still have this new week opening gap here. That price really hasn't filled, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Um, I could do a video before I leave for the gym, but I am leaving for the gym at like, I don't know. It's like a 70-30 chance. But most likely I will come back around to a computer like around 1 o'clock. Well, actually no. Oh yeah, like around 1. But I'll trade on my phone if I have to. Like if I see a setup really obvious, um, then I will enter before. Like I'll chart shit out, go to the gym, I'll look, see what's going on, and then we'll go from there. But anyways, chat, no trades for me today. Big fucking surprise. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And yeah. Damn, this is really damn. What the fuck? Is that a guy? Oh. Alright, chat. I'm gonna see you guys later.